What if I told you that three completely different angles, drawn in three different squares, always add up to exactly 90 degrees? No matter the size of the squares. No coincidence. Just pure mathematics. In this video, we study a geometric figure made of three identical squares placed side by side, noted as ABCD and DCFE and EFGH. From the top right corner of the last square, we draw straight segments to the bottom left corners of each square. These segments form three angles, and our goal is to compute the sum of those angles using trigonometry. Let the side length of each square be equal to 1 unit. We place the figure in a coordinate system that has the point B as an origin. Point B has coordinates 0, 0. Point A has coordinates 0, 1. Point C has coordinates -1, 0. Point F has coordinates -2, 0. Point G has coordinates -3, 0. Let's note this results. All three angles are measured between a segment coming from point A and the horizontal line. For angle ACB, the vertical change is 1 and the horizontal change is 1. So the tangent of angle ACB equals 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. Therefore, angle ACB equals arctangent of 1. For angle AFC, the vertical change is 1 and the horizontal change is 2. So the tangent of angle AFC equals 1 divided by 2, which equals 1/2. Therefore, angle AFC equals arctangent of 1/2. For angle AGF, the vertical change is 1 and the horizontal change is 3. So the tangent of angle AGF equals 1 divided by 3, which equals 1/3. Therefore, angle AGF equals arctangent of 1/3. Let's note S, the sum of our three angles measures. So S would be equal to arctangent of 1 plus arctangent of 1/2 plus arctangent of 1/3. Using the trigonometric identity, arctangent of A plus arctangent of B equals arctangent of A plus B divided by 1 minus A times B if A times B is strictly lesser than 1. We find that S is equal to arctangent of 1 plus arctangent of 1/2 plus 1/3, all divided by 1 minus 1/2 times 1/3. After computing this, we find that S equals arctangent of 1 plus arctangent of 1. Now, as the arctangent of 1 is equal to the measure of the special angle 45 degrees, we find that S is equal to 45 degrees plus 45 degrees. Thus, the sum of the three angles, noted S, equals 90 degrees. Three different angles. Three different slopes. Yet their sum always reconstructs a perfect right angle. This result does not depend on the size of the squares, only on the geometry. If this kind of elegant geometry was instructive for you, and you want more surprising math proofs like this one, like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the notifications bell, and leave a comment with the next problem you want to see solved. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.